Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In the previous session, we had discussed B tree insertion example for order 3. Now in this session, we are discussed an example of order 4. So what is the first step? Whenever we are giving an order, first step is identify the minimum keys and minimum children. Similarly, the maximum keys and the maximum children in a node. That is how many keys and children are allowed. Minimum keys. Order 4, that is m. What is the formula for minimum? Suppose the minimum children is m by 2 and automatically minimum keys are m by 2 minus 1. Okay, always keys are 1 less than children. M by 2 means 4 by 2, that means 2. Here 4 by 2, 2 minus 1, 1. The minimum key in a node is 1. The minimum number of children for a node is 2. Similarly, the maximum children is m. That means 4. The maximum keys are 4 minus 1, m minus 1, that is 3. This is the condition. First step, insert 5. This is the node structure. 5. How many maximum number of keys? The maximum number of keys allowed are 3. So 1, 2, 3. Even though it is empty, represented the node in this format. 5. Next, insert 3. What is the position of 3? We are performing insertion always at the left side. Always at the leaf node. We have only one node and that is the leaf node. According to ascending order, the position of 3 is this one, 3, 5. The position of 3 is this one, 3 and 5. Next, insert 21. So simply 3, 5, 21, no problem. Next, insert 9. Observe this one. Insert 9. After inserting 9, the tree becomes 3, 5, 9, 21. Okay, after inserting 9, this is the node. It violates the property. Why? Because the maximum keys allowed are only 3. The maximum keys are only 3. Okay, but we are placing 4 elements. Observe, if we are using either order 3, order 5, order 7, if you are using odd numbers, the middle term automatically moves to the parent. Suppose if you are using order 3 in the previous example, order 3 means the maximum 2 keys are allowed. If you are placing the third key, it violates the property. Simply the middle term, we have 3 elements means the middle term is moved to the root. Suppose order 5 means the maximum 4 keys are allowed. If insertion of 5th element, that is after inserting 5th element, 5 keys, the middle element moved to the root. That is the left subtree contains 2 elements, right subtree contains last 2 elements. But for even order, here order is 4. Which element is moved to the root? So in the insertion, we already discussed that. Suppose P and Q, we are dividing the node into 2 splits. We are dividing the node into 2 parts, P and Q. Suppose P is the left one, Q is the right one. P has m by 2 minus 1 keys. P has m by 2 minus 1 keys. Q has m minus m by 2. See this one. After splitting, P contains m by 2 minus 1. What is m? M value is 4. 4 by 2 means 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Q is equal to m, that is 4 minus 2, 2. That is the first element is the left subtree. The last two elements are the right subtree and m by 2 is moved to the parent. M by 2 means 4 by 2. That means 2. 4 by 2, 2, 2. That is the second element is the root. See this one. What are the values? For P and Q, it represents the number. The first element is moved to the left subtree. The last 2 elements is moved to the right subtree. And the second element is moved to the root. What is the second element here? 5 is the second element. And it contains only 1. So that is 5 is moved to the root, and the left subtree contains one element and the right subtree contains two elements. This is the tree. Okay, now insert 1. Insert 1, 5. So the position of 1 is this one, 9, 21. Now insert 13. Insert 13. What is the position of 13? Greater than 5 and less than these two. Now 9, 3, 13. So no problem. 3 keys are allowed. Now insert 2. Insert 2. 5, 1, 2, 3, and the right child. Now in 13, 21. Okay. Okay, up to now. Okay. Now insert 7. Insert 7. Where 7 is inserted? 7 is greater than 5. So inserted at this position. First insert. Okay. First insert 5. 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, 13, 21. Okay. Now it violates the property. If it violates the property, what you have to do? Perform split operation. We already checked. If order 4 it performs, it violates the property, the second element is moved to the root. So 5, 9, and the left one is same, 1, 2, 3. This is becomes the left child for 9, that is 7. And these two elements becomes the right child for 9, 13, 21. 13, 21. Now insert 10. Insert 10. What is the position of 10? Position of 10 is at this position. So 5, 9, 1, 2, 3, 7, 10, 13, 21. This is the position of 10. Now insert 12. Insert 12. Now insert 12. What is the position of 12? Greater than 9. This one, 10, 12, 13, and 21. After insertion, it violates the property. After insertion, it violates the property. Move the element. Move the element 12 to the root. Move the element 12 to the root. So by moving the element 5, 9, 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 7. For this 10. For 12, automatically 10 is right child to 9, at the same time left child to 12. Left child to 12. 13 and 21. 13 and 21. Now next, insert 4. Insert 4. Okay. What is the position of 4? The position of 4 is this one. Okay, once again I will write 5, 9, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the position of 4. 7, 10, 13, 21. Observe here, this node violates the property. This node violates the property. Now move 2 to the parent. Now what we have to do? Move the element 2 to the root. By moving to the root, then what happens? 2, 5, 9, 12, 12. By moving 2 to the root, 1 is the left child, 3, 4 is the right child. 1 is the left child and 3, 4 is the right child, and the for 5 is remaining is as it is 7, 10 and 12. But observe this one, here it also violates the property. Here it also violates the property. Again move 5 to the root. Okay, first 1, 2, 3, 4. After this it violates the property. Whenever it violates the property, move this element to the root. Whenever we are moving this element, this is the left child for 2 and this part is the right child for 2. So I am simply placing 1 is the left child, 3, 4 is the right child. For the remaining tree, entire thing is as it is. For the remaining tree, so whatever it is, entirely placed as is. After this, check this node. This node also violates the property and this is the root node. Now create a new node, that is create a new root 5. 2 is the left child, 2 is the left child and 9 and 12 are the right child. 9 and 12 are the right child. For this 2, 1 is the left child, 3 is the right child. 3 is the right child. Okay, so 3 and 4. For this 5, for this whenever we are moving 5 to the root, 9 and 12, so automatically 7. If you have any confusion, observe, according to binary search tree, 7 is always greater than 5. So simply 7 is placed with this side. 7 is greater than 5 and less than 9. Compulsory position of 7 is this one. Position of 10 is this one. And 12 is 13, 21. Okay, it's completed. And finally insert 8. Finally insert 8. So the position of 8 is simply this one. The position of 8 is simply this one. This is the final B tree of order 4. A final B tree of order 4. See this one. First to write this case. If you are writing this case, it is very easy. Whenever a split occurs, that is if it overrides the problem, if it overcome the number of keys, perform split operation. After splitting, if order is odd, if the order is odd, simply the middle element moves to the root. So for easy purpose, without any formula, if an order is even, so place the median, or remember the formula. The left subtree contains m by 2 minus 1 elements and the right subtree contains m minus m by 2 elements. This is from the starting, this is from the last. And the middle element, that is m by 2, this is the position. The second position element is moved to the parent. After moving to the parent, so see the last example. After moving to the parent, if again violates the property, again move the element to another root, that is create a new root. Create a new root. This is the B tree insertion of order 4. Now we will discuss one more example of order 5. B tree insertion with order 5. Thank you.